Hey, what's up guys? It's WOGKTCRSCuber here today, back for another video, and today I'm going to be talking about my cube collection for 3/4 of an hour. So I've been cubing for about 2.5 weeks, and in that time I've amassed a collection of about 350 cubes. Now I understand that to a lot of you that may seem a bit extreme, but what you've got to consider is that I do have a package coming tomorrow that has 150 cubes in it. So, that kind of gets my cube collection up to where it should be and where the kind of average amount is. This is the boron-treated, old plastic Diane-coated, UV-coated, Felix Zemdeg signed Angstrom Volt 3 Elite M. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. And this is the GAN 11M Pro. This is my main. Now, I got these cubes because I realised that I don't have enough cubes to do multi-blind. Now, I can't do multi-blind, I can't even do blind, but when I am able to, I will appreciate having these cubes. This is a Rubik's brand cube. I know, I'm just ashamed to have this in my collection. I mean, Rubik's, they're just so bad. What have they ever done for cubing? This is my clock, and it counts because Rubik's originally sold it. Wait, no, I hate Rubik's. This is a cube that I literally just couldn't be bothered to solve. This is my square one that I was really excited to learn, but then I realised it had a really long parity algorithm, and I mean, I just can't learn that. This is a cube that I solve all of the time. I am not scared to scramble this. I'm not scared at all, okay? I did not just solve it once and then put it on its shelf to live out the rest of its days, because I'm not scared to scramble it and I solve it all the time. I do. This is the multi-scube or the multi-scube cube or something like that. I don't really know. The creator hasn't made it clear what it's called. In here is a cube that I couldn't be bothered to reassemble. This is just like some random Moyu cube or something. I don't know what it's called, I think it's pretty obscure. This is a new plastic Diane that I bought because I thought it was an old plastic Diane. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you did, make sure to do all the usual stuff, like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on, donate to my Patreon, send me cubes in the mail, send angry emails to all the cube stores until they sponsor me, all the normal stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.